PSBank to BPI. How to send money from PSBank to BPI Online. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. So ngayon magka-transfer ako ng pera from PSBank to BPI. To do that, go to their website. It's www.psbank.com.ph and then log in and click personal. So I'll close this. By the way, kung wala ka pang online account with PSBank, you can click this register account and then accept these terms and conditions. And then provide all the details na nire-require dito, like yung account type mo, yung account number mo sa PSBank, and also your complete name. Mag-provide ka rin ng sarili mong username and password. Ikaw yung gagawa nito. Itong username and password, ito yung gagamitin mo pag mag-login ka na sa online account mo with PSBank. And since meron na akong online account with them, pwede na ako mag-login. So I'll click login again and click personal. I'll close this and log in using my username and password here. And click login. So ito na yung online account ko with PSBank. Right now, ang current balance ko is 11,500 plus. Later on, kung tapos na ako mag-transfer, dapat mabawas na dito yung amount na ita-transfer ko. So, since mag-transfer ako ngayon, I'll click Fund Transfer. Hintayin lang natin siya. Medyo matagal mag-respond yung website ng PSBank. For initial step, you have an option to choose from the saved template. Ibig sabihin, may sinave ka ng bank details before and nakalista siya dito. Sa case ko, wala pa akong ginagawang ganon, so wala pa nakalagay dito. So, skip natin yan. For step 1, choose your source account. Since isa lang naman yung account ko with PSBank, by default, nakatick na to. And then for step 2, choose a target account. Merong 4 na options dito. Ang pipiliin ko is yung last option. Magka-transfer ako to unenrolled other bank account. So for beneficiary, I'll choose individual. For bank, piliin mo rito yung bangko na paglilipatan mo ng pera. So meron ditong Bank of the Philippine Islands, meron ding BPI Family Savings Bank. Yung paglilipatan ko ng pera is BPI lang, hindi siya BPI Family Savings Bank. Magkaiba sila. So, ang pipiliin ko for this case is this one, Bank of the Philippine Islands, which is BPI. For account number, i-enter ko dito yung account number na paglilipatan ko ng pera sa BPI. And then, complete ko yung the rest ng details dito. So dito, for mobile number, optional lang naman to. And it says here na pwede kang mag-send ng SMS to recipient. So nilagay ko dito yung phone number na pagpapadalhan ko ng pera. And let's see kung may receive siyang notification about the fund transfer. And then for step 3, enter the amount you wish to transfer. So I'll transfer 1,000 pesos. For step 4, schedule of transfer. I'll transfer immediately. Gusto ko na mag-reflect agad yung pera sa account niya. So, yun yung first option yung pipiliin ko. And that will be transferred via Instapay. Pag Instapay, real-time yung pag-transfer. Ibig sabihin mag-reflect agad, tulad ng sabi ko kanina. While for PesoNet, hindi siya real-time. Within 1 banking day, pwede mag-reflect yung pag-transfer. Pero mas malaki yung pwede mong i-transfer, up to 200,000 pesos. For Instapay, mas maliit lang siya, up to 50,000 pesos. So, depende sa'yo kung tingin mo kailangan mo mag-transfer na mas malaki, choose PesoNet. Pero since sa case ko, 1,000 lang naman yung transfer ko, so pwede na ako sa Instapay. And also, meron ditong transaction fee. Right now, it's 0 pesos. Ibig sabihin, libre. Free yung pag-transfer sa ngayon. But normally, may bayad talaga yung transfer. So, open ko to. Ito yung charges niya. For PesoNet, for mobile or online banking, it's 50 pesos. For Instapay, 15 pesos naman yung pag-transfer pag online ka nagka-transfer ng pera. Again, free siya or waived siya as mentioned here sa advisory ni PSBank. They said they are waiving fees on fund transfer via Instapay and PesoNet effective March 18, 2020. So, may advisory lang sila kaya sa ngayon walang bayad yung pag-transfer. So, I'll click continue. And hintayin lang natin. Walang nangyayaring like loading dito. Pero dito sa bandang baba, may nakalagay na waiting for psbank.com. So ito, nag-white screen na siya and ito na siya. For added security, kailangan ng OTP. So I'll click OK. So mag-set na OTP sa cellphone ko. And okay, na-receive ko na yung OTP. So, ilalagay ko siya dito. Pero, kailangan ko munang ilagay yung password ko here. And then, the OTP here. And, click Submit Request. So, hintayin lang natin dito sa bandang baba. Waiting for psbankonline.com.ph. And here's the transaction acknowledgement. May transaction reference number dito. Mas maganda na i-save nyo or i-take note yung reference number. So, just in case magkaroon ng issue, like hindi nag-reflect yung pera ng maayos sa kabilang account, meron kayong proof ng reference number ng transaction na ginawa nyo and pwede nyong i-report yun. And i-check ko rin yung BPI Online account ko. So, nag-expire lang siya. So, I'll log in here. Actually, iniwan ko na siya naka-open kanina. Pero, nag-expire yung session ko. So, nag-login na ako and I go to my accounts. Dito sa account na to ako nag-transfer. So, I'll click this. And dito, may nakalagay na 1,000 pesos yung transaction. And kung mapapansin nyo dito, walang date na nakalagay kasi masyado pang recent yung transaction na nangyari. That's why wala pang date. Pero later on, pag i-revisit nyo yung account nyo and titignan nyo yung transaction history, may date na dito na nakalagay. And that's it. Nakapag-transfer tayo from PSBank to BPI ng real time. Ibig sabihin, mabilis lang yung pag-transfer. And that's via Instapay. And if you can think of other videos na pwede namin ituro online, please provide a comment below. And also, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, kung nakatulong itong video na to sa inyo, please like this video. And may mga iba pa kaming videos about online money transfer. And in case you're interested, may mga videos din kami about money investment. Pwede kang mag-start mag-invest sa maliit na halaga. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!